Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can link a new device in Signal. So, first of all, what you need to do is download the Signal app on your iPad or your PC. Then go ahead and open Signal. After you open it, you should click on your profile on the left hand side. Go to Link Devices and you can see Link a New Device. You must open the QR code on the Signal app on your PC, so go ahead and open it and then click on Link a New Device. Go ahead and click on Continue to authorize and authenticate that this is you. Click on OK and then scan the code on your device and click Link a New Device. After that, you can see on your PC you must set up your phone. Go ahead and set up the phone as the syncing will be done. The contacts and all of your groups will be ready, and as you can see, a new device has been linked. And this way you can easily link a new device in Signal. You can add more devices. Just go ahead and click on Link a New Device, authorize yourself, and then you can easily link a new device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.